The banded barbell hip thrust with shoulders elevated is one of the best exercises that targets the glutes. By adding the band around your knees, it provides you with a cue to press your knees out against the band, which helps activate the abductor muscles and provides an even better muscle contraction. To get started, load a barbell with a weight in front of a sturdy bench, step, or box, then sit down to place the band just above your knees. Sit down on the floor with your upper mid-back and shoulders against a bench. Carefully roll the loaded barbell over your legs and across your hips. With your knees bent at a 90-degree angle and feet firmly planted into the floor, grip the barbell with an overhand grip for balance. Contract your core, then press your knees out against the bands as you press your feet, especially your heels, into the floor to raise and extend your hips. Pause and squeeze your glutes hard at the top of the thrust with your knees to your shoulders in a straight line. While keeping your core contracted, under control, slowly lower your glutes back towards the ground and repeat without touching the floor. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.